IntractERP has a feature named Classrooms. Here, you can create, view, edit classrooms, add subject, or even assign subject. When you click on Classroom, you can see all the classrooms of an institution. If you click on anyone, you can further see the subjects, assigned teacher, and the number of students in the particular classroom. From there, you can edit a classroom by simply clicking on the edit button, make the changes, and then click on save. Here, when you click on edit, you can edit the batch, room number, or the subject. You can also see the add subject option here, from where you can add new subjects to the particular classroom. You will have to follow the add subject process for every classroom separately. You can assign a subject to a staff from here. When you click on the subject, you can see a box as assigned teachers with a drop-down option. From the drop-down option, you can select the teachers you want to assign the subject to. You can even delete a subject from here by simply clicking on Delete Subject box. When you come back to Classroom, you can see a Add Classroom button from here. You can add a new classroom by simply filling the batch and room number and then click on Submit. You can add the respective subjects and assign respective teachers to the particular classroom. Thank you.